Hi guys, thank you for watching and please subscribe my channel. I'm so exciting talking about manual testing. Manual testing is nothing but part of software testing. Software testing are two parts, manual testing and automation testing. But I will discuss manual testing. And manual testing is very simple course and automation testing also. But today discuss about manual testing and some topics and manual manual testing today discussing testing fundamental testing roles and responsibilities and today another video SDLC models, another video testing engineer responsibilities, mm, and so on, and small overview of software testing. And what is software? Software is a set of to instructions, data or programs used to operate computers and phones, etc., and executing specific tasks, mainly human instructions to computers, very helping the software. And SDLC and SDLC is means software development lifecycle. Software development lifecycle is process of various quality software developing various quality softwares. SDLC is developing of various quality softwares, and so many phases are there in SDLC, and so many roles are there in software industry and IT industry. So many roles are there, and some roles is here business analyst and project management, developers and testers, and deployment and configuration. Every role very important in software development. And software testing and testing a application working as a pre-client requirements is a pre-client requirement is a software testing nothing but pre-client requirements. And software testing two parts, manual testing and automation testing, already will tell. Manual testing is two testings are there, white box testing and black box testing. White box testing done by developers and black box testing done by testers. And automation testing are also there by tools and selenium, etc. Manual testing starting a requirement document, and automation testing starting a regression testing phase we'll discuss sometime. And black box testing we will discuss about these are things on another video. And STLC means software testing lifecycle, and these are phases and various phases are there in software testing lifecycle. And non-functional testing also there, two types, two security testings and performance testing. And let's go. And why testing is required? First of all, testing is very important in every field, but today software testing is identifying the defects in development phase, identifying the defects, and better quality software to develop a developer, and tester also better quality software to testing software also, and to identifying the bugs and identifying the defects, identifying the errors in the testing phase, and better software to achieve better software quality to customer, to give a customer, and to ensure assure quality of the product and to provide quality of the product, to perform development activity and testing activity of from day one of the project, to identify the issues in starting stages as early as possible, and saves money as a defect identifying in early stages to build customers confidence and businesses. And testing is very important in software, and human errors are common, in the software test and software life cycle. And another topic, why testing job. Why testing job are Why testing job. Software testers are made for challenging work environment, and you can enjoy every day of the work and a flexible and fun work environment. And it's a creative job, and it is a source of career path. There is attractive and remuneration and room of for growth, and academic background is a necessity. necessity. And testing roles and responsibilities. Testing roles and responsibilities is on software testing. So many roles are there. I will discuss some. To present present companies are, we will eh, we will software testing engineer and senior testing engineer and test lead and test manager and senior test manager, associate director software testing, and vice president. And some companies, so many companies and are depending on this pattern, but some companies not this pattern, and depends on companies, only depends on companies. And and software testing responsibilities, software engineer responsibilities, mainly software tester, we will understand requirement document. Main point is understanding requirement document, and requirement document we will discuss SDLC. And requirement document is preparing BA, business analyst, and SME, subject matter expert, and Scrum. So many roles this kind of document creating. And that the document understanding the requirement of the application, and based on client requirements, and identifying the required test scenarios of the project, identifying the required identifying required test scenarios of the project, and design and preparing the test cases. These test cases giving a key role on the manual testing, and test cases to validate application, and execute test cases to validate application, and how many test cases passes and how many test cases fails. failed Failed means bug, error, defect are there, and defect reporting and tracking. That's a bug reporting and a tracking, and retest fixed defects and for previous build, and tester identifying the bug and reporting the developer and fixed the bug and send it to the tester, and fixed the defect of previous build, and performed various types of testing assigned by the test lead preferred by various types of testing assigned by the test lead is assigned so many testings, and prepare the and sending of status report to lead and assigning tasks, and participated in regular meetings and team meetings by lead manager, and so many meetings are conducting manager and lead, and every day will conduct morning status report, stand report, and evening status report, stand up report. morning stand-up report and stand-up meeting, and evening status meeting. We'll discuss so many things in application, so many things in application based on time, and automation scripts for regression testing, and creating automation testing and scripts for regression testing. Regression testing is starting phase of automation testing, and same also this is also same topics and SDLC. We will discuss another video, and please subscribe, and thank you for watching, and take care guys.